Trains has been the most economical as well as the most used transport mode in Sri Lanka. Due to this reason, we see a huge demand for utilizing space in railway stations. Currently, we have the opportunity to invite corporate clients to undertake the timetable board project. This product has been a high-impact branding product since most of the train commuters use this board to identify when the next train would arrive as well as to recheck if the time is accurate. Hence, clients' brand visibility would be very high. Currently, we have almost 350 stations which the timetable signage is required. Please go through the presentation to get more info such as foot count, investment technical spec, etc. And feel to contact us for more info. Thank you.